Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a summary table in Excel. First, ensure your data has clear headers. Then, select any cell within your data range. Navigate to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. Click on Pivot Table to open the Pivot Table dialog box. This tool is incredibly powerful for condensing information, making complex data much easier to understand and analyze. Once the Pivot Table dialog appears, you can choose to place your summary table on a new worksheet or an existing one. Next, the Pivot Table Fields pane will open. This is where you define your summary. Drag the fields you want to analyze into the rows, columns, values, and filters areas. For example, put categories in rows and sales figures in values. After placing your fields, you can customize how the data is summarized. Click on the field in the Values area, then select Value Field Settings. Here, you can change the calculation from sum to average, count, or other options. You can also apply filters to narrow down your data, showing only what's most relevant to your analysis. To keep your summary table up to date, remember to refresh it whenever your source data changes. Simply right-click on the table and select Refresh. You can also create dynamic pivot charts directly from your summary table for powerful visual insights. These charts automatically update with your data. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please see the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.